What's up guys, your boy Junior here with a brand new video. So if you guys are still trying to figure out how to get your skinning to level 200, I'm going to show you why the BOAR farm area is still a great place to do that. Before we get into this guys, don't forget to hit like, comment, or share, and if you guys want to see more videos like this for a week-to-week basis, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Alright guys, so the BOAR farm is located in Restless Shore. If you happen to have this fast travel spot right here, it makes it a lot easier to just travel on over here. It's a level 44 area, but I will say if you come in here to do soloing or maybe 1 to 2 people, try to be at least 44 to 45, maybe 46 to make it a little bit easier. Now the reason why I say that the BOAR farm is still good, because one, people think it's nerfed, and it was nerfed. The respawn rate for the boars is just not as high anymore, but however, if you're playing solo or you just come in here with maybe a group of 3 to 4, it's still a great place to farm them. Now I've been to the BOAR farm before this and it was pretty crazy. You probably had about 15 people here and it was probably about 30 boars just running around and getting killed. But as you can see, if you're like a solo guy, like 1 to 2 people, it's pretty legit, and you could basically farm this to get your 200 in probably close to maybe an hour to 2 hours easily. I recommend you come here at least level 45 so that you won't get just slaughtered by them. But other than that, if you come here around level 45, 46, you should do fine. You'll probably actually be able to pull out a level or 2 from here as well. Alright guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you want to see more future videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.